Welcome to the WTM Academy. In this tutorial, we will show you how to register for classes. If you are new to the Academy, we encourage you to check out our Prospective Families page. This will give you an overview of our philosophy and how our classrooms work. Once you are ready to register for courses, please select the Register for Courses button at the top of our website. This will open up our registration page where you can view all of our courses, sections, see the meeting times, instructor, and even the tuition for each course. To view details about a particular course, please click on the name, open the link, and you will return to our website to the course catalog area where you can see the individual course details. To register for this course, either select the Register Now button or return to the previous tab. Once you return to the registration page, click on any course to register and then select the Register button in the bottom right-hand corner. You will be asked to either log in, or if you are new to the Academy, please select Create Account. You can then fill out the form for your student's information, for yourself as the guardian. You will be asked to upload a document to verify the birth date of the student, and then create your own login and password for your account. This will return you to the registration page where you will be logged into your new account. Any courses previously selected will have a yellow check mark, which means the registration is not complete. You can select any other courses at this time and then select the Register button. Each time you register, you will have an opportunity to review your student's information, including the upcoming grade level. This will take you to our checkout page. Please review your total tuition, any fees, your courses selected, and then choose your method of payment. If you are paying by charter school, select Yes, and then select the charter school or third party who is paying for the tuition. If no, please select your payment plan as either paying in full, by month, or by semester. Please read the terms associated with your method of payment and agree to them, and then review your down payment required at checkout and review the terms of your installment plan. Once you've reviewed these, please enter your credit card information or select a card that is already on file. All card information is stored on secure servers off-site. We do not store your credit card information. Finally, please review your information for your account, agree to our terms, which are available at these links, and then select Register. You will then have the opportunity to go back to your dashboard for your account, or you can add a new student and select courses for your new student. Returning to your parent dashboard allows you to view any upcoming courses, view any pending or waitlisted courses, view any upcoming or completed tutoring sessions. On the left menu, you can enter the classrooms, view unofficial transcripts for completed courses, change your student information. For courses, you can register, transfer, or withdraw courses. And at the bottom, you can view payment information or edit information for your Guardian account. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please visit the Help Center on our main website. Thank you.